What exactly is a neural network, and why should developers care? A neural network is a machine learning model inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Just like your brain uses billions of interconnected neurons to process information, a neural network uses artificial neurons, also called nodes, connected in layers. These layers are typically grouped into three categories: the input layer, which receives data, hidden layers, which do most of the processing, and the output layer, which produces a result, like a classification, a prediction, or a score. Each node takes inputs, multiplies them by learned weights, adds a bias term, and then passes the result through an activation function like ReLU, sigmoid, or tan. This helps the network model non-linear patterns, which is why it's great at recognizing things like faces, voices, or language. Neural networks learn from data. During training, the network compares its predictions to actual answers, calculates how far off it was, and adjusts internal weights using backpropagation powered by gradient descent. This loop repeats over thousands, sometimes millions, of examples until the model gets good. At a technical level, a neural network is just a stack of matrix operations and a lot of tuning, but its power lies in scale and complexity. Neural networks are the core of modern AI. They power chatbots, autonomous vehicles, recommendation engines, voice assistants, and even code generation tools. For developers, understanding how neural networks work isn't just for AI engineers. It helps you collaborate better, build smarter features, and future-proof your skills. Neural networks aren't just the future, they're shaping the tools you use every day.